Gold is still forming a bullish candles, and we can see that the yesterday candle has closed as a bullish one, where we can see that the price is trying again to make a bullish breakout above this resistance area, supply zone at 2653.45, and we can see that the wick of this candle has reached the upper side of this supply zone. So the price is trying to make a bullish breakout. We can see that for several days the price is rising and closing the day on the higher price level. What we can expect today? Well, I'm expecting still that I'm still open to see a bullish breakout than it is a bearish breakout, because we can see that the price is forming this pressure at this resistance area. And on the lower level, I have shared with the traders that I'm expecting this area to be broken, and we can see that on a 1 hour time frame I have shared that there is a failed bearish breakout with a bullish breakout format here, where I'm expecting that the price will rise in value, and we can see that the first target will be around 2653.45 and then above that. So I'm expecting to see the price rising, and when this breakout happens, and also another one around this area, this will be shared inside the premium analysis with the traders. The link will be below in the description if you would like to join. Then what we can expect further on. First of all, if we see the price going down, I need to see the price going below around 2637 area, around 2636. This will be a bearish breakout that will indicate further decline and reaching the support level here. Until that happens, and especially on the lower time frame, like 4 hour time frame, and we can see that 2636.83 is the critical level, I am expecting to see the price on the higher price level. So for now, I am expecting to see the price forming bullish breakout, and for now on the 1 hour time frame, I have a small indication that the price will go all the way to 2653.45 again to make one more attempt to make a bullish breakout above that, above the supply zone, and then continue to rise in value. Will it happen? Well, I need to wait and see what happens around this 2653 area, and if it happens, a bullish breakout, this will be shared inside the premium analysis with the traders inside the Telegram group. So for now, for today, this is all, and see you tomorrow again. Happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!